Safari hii ya mtoto imeanza mzuri na Mungu na nafurahia. Na Susan namtakia maisha mema kutoka kwake na kurudi kwake. Nataka Mungu amuongoze kila wakati.
I'm so happy that my friends are getting married, especially Scott. Scott, I'm so happy for you. And as now he's entering a new phase of life, he's getting married today. Okay, I'm really excited. Wow, I can't wait. I know he's going to be the best.
Na namush all the best. Wakuwe na the best of marriage. God our favor, awapatie grace.
When she told me she was getting married, I was so excited. She was like, are you staying or you're leaving? Because, you know, I'm getting married soon. And I was like, what? You're lying? You know, so I was really excited when she told me about it, because Sue is such a lovely person. She has a lovely heart. She's always willing to help.
Wacha Mungu alete to all the fantasies we had to your day, not to your entire marriage life, and I wish you all the best.
I'm so excited, I can't wait. We just pray for favorable weather. Yeah.
The first day that we met at your church place, back then when I was still a young boy in Form 1, I promised myself that one day this is the girl of my dreams. This is the girl that one day I'll marry her and become the mother of my kids. I want to be the best friend that you ever dreamed of, and I want to be your best companion that you have ever dreamed of. And as well, I'm looking forward to make you a proud mama. Yes.
Kutoka na kurudi, Mungu akuonekanie kila wakati. Tunakupenda. Asante.
Hi, Peter Kawinzi.
Hi, Peter Kawinzi.
Take you, Susan Kamene.
Take you, Susan Kamene.
To be my lawful wedded wife.
To be my lawful wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer and for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us apart.
According to your vows and according to your confession in front of these people and in this altar, and according to the power given to me by the government of Kenya and Gospel Evangelistic Church of Kenya, I do join you together to be a husband and wife.
We testify, for all you've done.
Scott, I want to see it in a very romantic way. Son, wow.
Today was my wedding on 4th of December 2021. My expectations for the wedding was to get a husband, to get married. Yeah, the journey it's overwhelming, it's interesting. Everything went on well. I thank God it didn't rain. As I vowed at the church, I will be his best friend, submit, be his helper. Yes, and let's enjoy marriage. He's an interesting person. He loves his space. He's selfless. He loves discovering new things. Yes, it has been a journey, but we thank God. Yay, can't wait to enter this marriage life.
The prayer is even from this, may you push me the same way to actually experience and actually manifest, you know, the potential that you see in me, because that you have told me that you're the only person who believes in me, you're my biggest fan.
Aww.
And today it was a wonderful day because, wow, I never thought it would ever happen, marrying such a beautiful soul that you are. Yes, so it's the best gift that you've given me. And I can't just wait for tonight. Just wait for tonight. And the days of our lives starting from tonight, tomorrow, the years to come, you know, the hours which are ahead of us, the days, the months are fully accounting, and many years to come. Let's let ourselves flow, and we write our own marriage story. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I love you so much.
I love you too.